ऐतिहासिक लाल किले की प्राचीर के ठीक सामने नया भारत, जो कि 79वें स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह का मुख्य विषय है, थीम है, उसे आकार देते हुए भारत की युवा शक्ति, एनसीसी कैडेट्स और साथ में वॉलंटियर्स, युवा शक्ति जिसके हाथों में कल का भविष्य है, कल के भारत का भविष्य है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय ने अपने उद्बोधन में लाल किले की प्राचीर से स्वतंत्र भारत से समृद्ध भारत की ओर चलने का संकल्प लिया। देशवासियों से वो संकल्प लेने का आग्रह किया। आत्मनिर्भरता, लोकल से वोकल होना, ये सभी बातें जिनकी ओर ध्यान देने का जिक्र किया माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय ने। ऐतिहासिक लाहौरी गेट से उनका काफिला मंथर गति से आगे बढ़ रहा है। इनफॉर्म, परफॉर्म, ट्रांसफॉर्म, प्रधानमंत्री महोदय ने अपने उद्बोधन में कहा कि उससे भी आगे जाने की आवश्यकता है और भारत को 2047 तक एक विकसित राष्ट्र बनाना है। तो नए संकल्प लेने हैं, उन संकल्पों की ओर दृढ़ता से चलना है, जीवट से चलना है। और जाहिर सी बात है, इसके लिए अभी तक जो कुछ किया गया है उससे बहुत ज्यादा कुछ करने की आवश्यकता है।
A slight wind picking up the flutter in the flags and stirring the ambience with a satisfying sweep, and of course the clouds challenging the power of the sun. The Prime Minister's carcade now arriving at the road in front of the fort's moat, across which school children, NCC cadets and volunteers have been sitting with great discipline and respect. Everybody standing up to get a closer glimpse of the carcade. Satisfaction, contentment and celebration writ large over the venue, the people and everybody who participated in it. The Prime Minister's vehicle stopping in front of where these cadets and volunteers are sitting. I think a much awaited time. It's now become a ritual, a tradition, and these young ones really excited.
एक हलचल, उत्सुकता से प्रतीक्षा और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री का ज्ञान पथ पर आगमन। यहां 2500 एनसीसी कैडेट और माय भारत वॉलंटियर्स, ये उनके लिए एक यादगार अवसर।
And we can see the eyes of the young light up, children greeting in excitement. For them, this is more than just meeting a leader. It is a moment they will carry in their hearts for years to come. The Prime Minister's affection for the youth is no secret. He often calls them the builders of India's tomorrow, the shapers of a future that will take the nation to new heights. Every handshake, every smile, every word of encouragement is like a seed planted in young minds, a seed of confidence, responsibility, and belonging. Moments like these are not scripted, they're woven in the joy of the people and the openness of the leader. They reaffirm a nation's faith in its democratic spirit, that here the voice of the people matters, and that those who lead by standing among them. And as the cheers rise and the tricolor waves in countless hands, this interaction becomes more than just a gesture. It becomes a symbol that in India's journey forward, It is the people who are the true strength, and it is their belief that carries the nation towards greater glory.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय प्रत्यक्ष संवाद में विश्वास रखते हैं और वो भी खास तौर पर युवा शक्ति से, और बिल्कुल प्रत्यक्ष रूप से देखा जा सकता है कि जो माई भारत वॉलेंटियर्स हैं या एनसीसी कैडेट्स हैं जो कि सेना के तीनों अंगों से आए हुए हैं, अगर कुछ प्रतिभागी बीच में बैठे हैं तो उनके पास स्वयं जा करके बातचीत करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं और उनसे प्रत्यक्ष संवाद कर रहे हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय, अनुशासन बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण और जिसका पूरी तरीके से इन कैडेट्स के द्वारा, इन वॉलंटियर्स के द्वारा पालन किया जा रहा है। खुशी, उल्लास, प्रसन्नता उनके चेहरे पर साफ पढ़ी जा सकती है। उनकी आंखों में चमक है जो कल के सुनहरे भारत की तस्वीर पेश कर रही है और राष्ट्र का प्रथम नेतृत्व उनके इतना करीब है, उसको पा करके वो आह्लादित हैं, प्रसन्न हैं, खुश हैं और सुनहरी यादें लेकर यहाँ से जाना चाहते हैं।
It's always interesting to see, because the Prime Minister always is energetic. The young people here are energized by his presence. But wonderful to see how energized the Prime Minister becomes in their midst. The tone tenor of the smile changes straight from the heart, the connections too, straight from the heart. A picture postcard view of connecting with the people. In fact, these young ones are the repositories of all that is good in us. So let's have faith in them, let's dream with them and let's nourish them. Because our belief in them validates our belief in the future.
एक एक से मिलना, सबसे मिलना तो संभव नहीं होता, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री की कोशिश है कि जितना ज्यादा वो मिल सकें, सबके नजदीक जाकर किसी से हाथ मिलाते हैं, किसी से कुछ बात करते हैं। यूं कहिए कि इन सबके लिए जीवन भर की यादें रच रहे हैं। ये सब बाद में बताएंगे कि प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी के इतने नजदीक थे, वो उनसे हाथ मिलाया, उनसे बात की। अविस्मरणीय पल और युवा मन पर हमेशा अंकित रह जाने वाले ये प्रेरणा के वो क्षण इस समय हमारे सामने टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर।
Faces filled with anticipation, eyes shining with pride. These children have come from every corner of the country. Some have traveled miles, some have dreamt of this moment for years, all to be here, to see, to feel, to be part of history as it unfolds before their eyes. For them, this is more than a celebration. It is a reminder that freedom is not a gift handed down. It is a treasure earned through struggle.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय, ज्ञान पथ से अब सामान्य दर्शक दीर्घा की ओर अग्रसर हो चुके हैं, जहां पर आम जनता बड़ी उत्कंठा से उनकी प्रतीक्षा कर रही थी और ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज का उनका दिन 79वें स्वाधीनता दिवस के अवसर पर आज इन सभी का दिन यकीनन एक खास दिन में परिवर्तित हो चुका है, जब राष्ट्र का प्रथम नेतृत्व उनके इतना नजदीक है, इतना पास है, उनसे प्रत्यक्ष संवाद कर रहा है, बातचीत कर रहा है, उनसे हाथ मिला रहा है, उनके कंधे पर हाथ रख रहा है। अविस्मरणीय, कभी न भुलाने वाला ये मंजर है और बहुत से लोग जो यहाँ पर आज स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह के अवसर पर लाल किले की प्राचीर के ठीक सामने इन दर्शक दीर्घाओं में पहुंचे हैं, अपने मोबाइल फोन्स में एक एक पल को कैद करके जाना चाहते हैं। सुनहरी यादें हमेशा के लिए संजो करके रखना चाहते हैं।
The power of a democratic system, the power of relationship building, the power of popularity. And with great power comes great responsibility. The responsibility of every elected leader and head of government to lead the country from strength to strength, to connect with the people stronger every time, and to ensure that the people of the country, the interests of the nation, are put forward in front every time. Our freedom today gives us wings, while our history anchors us to a land that has held us strong and given us stability. And today what we are seeing is a slice of that strength of this nation, its people. Our strength lies in us being one, and that is what has helped us get our freedom. Finally, when we all came together and public sentiment rode high, actually divided we could be ruled, but together we could be liberated. And that's the power of coming together.
हिलते हुए हाथों का एक समुद्र है, और समुद्र में जैसे लगातार लहरें उठ रही हैं, ये लहरें मन में उठ रही हैं और मन से उठ रही हैं।
Well, one of the longest running as far as the Prime Minister's addresses is concerned, the 12th consecutive year that he has given his address from the ramparts of the Red Fort, and this indeed has become a ritual, a tradition, if we can call it. The Prime Minister makes up, especially when it comes to the people there, the students, the NCC cadets, the volunteers who have been patiently and with respect and discipline eagerly waiting for the first glimpse of the Prime Minister up close and personal. The Prime Minister makes sure that he goes to the end of the line, so the last person sitting there patiently waiting for the Prime Minister doesn't miss a chance to get this interaction that will be remembered for their lifetimes. This is now coming across as far as Prime Minister Narendra Modi seems to be now making his way out from Gyanpath in Red Fort, and that concludes as far as this year's address of the 79th India's Independence Day celebrations that has been marked with a lot of fervor. There are celebrations that are taking place across the nation, pictures that continue to come in, not just within the country, but from every corner of the world, where Indian citizens are proudly marking 78 years of the freedom struggle, the contributions that have been made by our freedom fighters. And of course, when we speak of the Prime Minister, it seems that every issue that has been touched upon by the Prime Minister himself, as now he's making his way out, waving to the crowds there who were eagerly waiting for him. When it comes to the Janta, well, that is his priority, as it is being said in his today's address as well. And this year's theme of Naya Bharat, Operation Sindoor, that has been adorned on the decorations there at the Red Fort. The Prime Minister this time has made it clear right at the beginning of his speech, of his address, that why this year's address is different, it is unique, and this is the theme when we speak of Naya Bharat, a new normal that has now been established. He began his today's address especially saying that how proud he is, because he's been interacting with